Hello everyone, today in this video I will guide you on how to check your laptop's battery health. Actually, we have so many ways and tools which will support you guys to do this action, and today I will introduce a very quick way to just use a command to check and see the detailed report of your laptop battery health. Follow me steps in the video, and let's get started. You need to open the command prompt to do it.
Follow me to enter the command to generate the report.
The report has been generated into your disk drive. Let's open it to see the detail.
This is the newly created report. You can see information about the battery as well as the health status of your laptop's battery. You can view important information such as design capacity, full charge capacity, cycle count, laptop usage frequency, as well as usage history. You scroll down to see more detailed information in the report. Hope that helped and enjoy it watching. Thank you for watching.